Are you trying to break through $1 million but struggling to maintain high profit? Well, I'm going to show you two major roadblocks that every marketing agency deals with and how to overcome so you can maintain a 50% net profit. Hi, I'm Geoff Skadra from Focus First Consulting, and I've been in marketing for 20 years, and now I'm helping marketing agencies scale up their businesses and create a profitable operations center. There are two major roadblocks that every marketing agency faces as they near the $1 million annual revenue mark. And the first one is a disjointed and bloated team caused from hiring reactively. And the second one is a chaotic and inconsistent delivery model. So how do you solve these things? Well, the first way is to create a simplified and focused delivery model. What are the services that you're providing to your client that moves the needle for them? What produces the best outcome? And get rid of everything else for now. Second, create a hiring plan and a very healthy labor ratio. We find that most service-based businesses use the benchmark of 50% of their revenue as their labor ratio. But what we see is that you can actually do that for much cheaper. You can do it for about 20%. 20% is the benchmark that we find that can help you produce a 50% net profit without you being involved. All right, let's recap. To get to $1 million with 50% net profit, you want to focus and simplify your delivery. And number two, create a hiring plan so you know when to hire and who to hire with a 20% labor cost to revenue so that you can get that 50% net profit and do it without you being there. If you want to learn more about how to do this specifically for your business, then book a call below, focusfirst.io/book now.